people, and welcome to Lip Balm Kiss TV. So today's video, I am giving you runway ready. I'm giving you, I feel Puerto Rican as hell. If you're on TikTok, then you get it. But this is big shout out to Hermosa Hair for sending over this water wave unit. I'll have all the specs down below. You already know the drill. I'll have some discount codes. They have a lot of sales going on right now. I am giving the girls scalp. I'm giving the girls scalp. Hermosa, we're giving you parting space. Look at this. Part me anywhere, baby. Look at this. Tell me that's not my scalp. I mean, you see this right here, but tell me this ain't my scalp. Like, to be honest, Hermosa did that. I love this because the density is a realistic density. Now, obviously, I ain't Puerto Rican. This ain't my hair, but the density to me is realistic. I like how versatile the wig is. I did pluck it. I bleached the knots twice. That's the only thing I will say. Be prepared to bleach the knots because the wefts had quite a few hairs in each knot, which is no problem. Just let it sit for like 45 minutes. But it's so realistic. Like, to me, this is giving. Hermosa, y'all did that. So this does have an option to be glueless. I'm gonna put it in a claw clip for now, just to show you guys the density really is that girl. So this is in a claw clip. This looks like it could be real. Like, is it not giving? What you wanna up do, down do? Either way, Hermosa made it do what it do, okay? But I think I am gonna put it in the claw clip because I'm relaxing around the house right now. But this does have an option to be glueless. I installed this with one layer of Touched by Misty's Got to Be Glue, only because I am going on a business trip. So I do want this to last for a week, this install. So I did one layer. You guys will see in the video. I did one layer. I did a bald cap method. And yeah, this is what we got. I feel like Hermosa did their big one. And that's just facts. Like, this looks like I just got the shower and my hair is just wet and I'm just that girl. That's what it's giving. But yeah, on a scale of 10, I give this like a 9. The only thing I wish is that it was pre-bleached. It wasn't pre-bleached. I had to bleach it and pluck it. But I mean, hey, if it's going to end up looking like this, I don't mind bleaching and plucking. If it's going to give, I don't mind, okay? A lot of the curly wigs to me sometimes are too full and too big. And to me, you can pretty much pull any look off with this. Like, it's giving real. I love this. It's perfect. But if you'd like to see how I achieve this scalp Biana with this curly wig, one layer glue, adjustable band, I got you, sis. Just keep watching.
Boy, you had me from the start. By the way you stared, the way you wrote up on me, yeah, yeah. Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated differently, yeah. But something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're on completely different pages. Let's go where we were, where no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Boy, you take me on a trip, always up and down and back and forth in merry-go-round. I just wanna get it right, but when you go left, I'm stuck here feeling left behind. Cause something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're going different directions. Let's go where we were, where no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take If you kill him, you're gonna kill us too. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe.
20 other spies are calling. $1 million house, got no mortgage. We gon' let them die, keep it pouring. Try to shut a straw while we're ballin'. 20 other spies are calling. When we let it slide, it's recording. We ain't gonna die too boring. Try to shut a straw while we're ballin'. Everybody got stories in their clips, for the way they handling their chips. Caught up in the web, getting clicks. See the body count going tick, tick, tick. Hopped up on my papa, got you preaching, you go hard. Opt out of your privilege, but you got 22 cars. Hop up on the pedestal, no, none of this was your fault. It was never your call. Betting on